Namaste students. Today our next topic is chemical properties. Chemical properties of metals and nonmetals. Metals and nonmetals are also differ from one another on the basis of chemical properties. First of all, we discuss reaction with oxygen. Dear students, metal react with oxygen from air. It form metal oxide whose nature is basic. Here in new term basic, we know that nature of a substance either acidic, basic or neutral. Nature of a substance either acidic, basic or neutral. How can we confirm that this substance is acidic? If a substance turns turns blue litmus to red litmus, it is acidic substance. If turns red litmus to blue litmus, it is basic substance, and in neutral substance no effect on no effect on either blue or red. Here a term litmus litmus is a natural indicator which is obtained from lichen plant, which belongs to Thallophyta division. In 7th class, chapter acid, base and salt, we know about this litmus. Here, our topic reaction with oxygen, and we have known about metal reacts with oxygen to form metal oxide whose nature is basic. And why it is basic? Because it turns because its aqueous solution turns red litmus to blue litmus. So, dear students, take an example. We take a magnesium ribbon and firstly cleaned with sandpaper because due to corrosion a protective layer deposited on it. So firstly we cleaned, then after we burn magnesium ribbon in the presence of air. It burns with dazzling flame to produce magnesium oxide. It is magnesium, symbol of magnesium is Mg. It is oxygen from air and it gives magnesium oxide. So firstly we balance this chemical equation. So here we multiplied 2 and here also 2 because we have to maintain the number of atoms present in reactant side, that is this part, and number of atom present in product side should be equal. That's why we balance chemical equation. So here magnesium react with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. When this magnesium oxide MgO reacts with water to form magnesium hydroxide. It is visited in solid form, liquid form, and it is aqueous. Aqueous means a particular substance dissolved in water. That's why it's said to be aqueous. So this magnesium hydroxide, HYDROXID, magnesium hydroxide is a base. That's why it turns red litmus to blue litmus. So our conclusion is that metal react with oxygen to form metal oxide, whose nature is basic because it turns red litmus to blue litmus. Now non-metals reaction with oxygen. Non-metals also react with oxygen from air to form to form non-metal oxide whose nature is acidic, because its aqueous solution turns blue litmus to red litmus. As for example, when carbon, symbol of carbon is C, reacts with oxygen from air, it forms carbon dioxide. Carbon reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide reacts with water, it forms carbonic acid H2CO3. Carbonic acid, and it is an acid, that's why the aqueous form of non-metal oxide turns blue litmus to red litmus. Therefore, we can say that the nature of this non-metal oxide is acidic, because it turns aqueous solution of this non-metal oxide turns blue litmus to red litmus. So our conclusion on the basis of reaction with oxygen, metal reacts with oxygen to form metal oxide whose nature is basic, and non-metals react with oxygen to form non-metal oxide whose nature is acidic. So our next point is reaction with water, which is discussed in next class. Dear students, prepare notes and read chapter 3. Thank you.